guys, what is up, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing something. My sister told me that I should start reviewing things because I'm a shopaholic and I buy a lot of things online. So today I got this in the mail, and as you guys can see, my hair is wet, and by the title we're going to be testing out the Revlon one-step hair dryer. And I bought this for my mom and for myself because I hate having wet hair and it dries really frizzy, and usually I have to shower at night, so I'm able to style my hair the next day if I want to straighten it or something. This is going to save me a lot of time in the morning. So I got it from Amazon. I have a link to it down below and all the details if you want to purchase it. I have a mirror on the side so I can obviously see myself, and a brush. I sprayed some heat protectant spray. So let's just go ahead and open this. So when you open it up, I'm gonna try and put you guys like this. So right off, when you open it, it looks like this. And you have your plug, and just kind of, this is everything that comes in it. There's nothing in the box anymore. And oh, I forgot to tell you guys, this is basically a straightener hair dryer brush, and I'm kind of excited. I think my hair might be too wet, but I showered like 30 minutes ago, so a lot of people mentioned that it was heavy. It doesn't really feel heavy. And this is what it looks like. It's really cute. It's blue and it's pink and black, and it says Revlon on here, and then down here is where like the settings are. So there's, it's off, cool, high, and then it has like a cord extension. There's also some papers, which no one, hold on, let me see this. It's a little scary. It kind of smells a little weird, but okay, we're gonna go and get some hair. I can't find other clips. I only have these. I'm gonna open up my mirror. I'm gonna go ahead and brush my even though I already brushed it with my wet brush, but I just want to make sure that it's like not tangly, so that also, look at, my skin is so sensitive out of the shower. Yeah, I'm gonna play some music, and I think I'm gonna speed it up. dry.
It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's to say.
My hand hurts a lot. Oh, it's like so, it's like right here. I think because it's like so huge that like you're grabbing it like this. I will say, oh yeah, as you can see, it has some on my hair because my hair likes to fall out. But I'm actually really surprised with how dry it is. And it wouldn't do like the blowouts and stuff, but I don't know how to do that, so I didn't do that. But my hair is really dry, like it's dry. Actually, it's a little wet from up here, but it's just because it's hard to get up here. But I mean, overall, I mean, my actual hair itself is, I actually really like this. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of try it out with you guys, and I think it's fantastic. I don't think I'll use it every single time though. I think maybe special occasions. I have to maybe go to an event and stuff, and I have to you know, shower in the morning and stuff, and I need to maybe curl my hair. I think I would use this, but I don't know. I think I'll give you guys an update in a few videos or something in the future, and I'll let you guys know. I'm sharing this with my mom just cause why not? But yeah, I'll have a link to it down below. Actually, I really liked it, and I think you should definitely go and try it out, because I know there's more expensive brands, but this one is pretty affordable for a hairdryer and a straightener brush thing. I mean, my hair is pretty like straight. It's usually very wavy, so yeah, I'm actually really happy. So that's this video, and yeah, I just wanted to try that out with you guys, and I think I'll just see you guys in my next video. Peace.